I'm on my own, broken alone.
Be on thoughts away. Ready? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel.
Yeah.
I'm here with my little brother, Jack.
Let's pop it. Like good.
So today, since Jack's like 4 years old, we decided we're gonna do a whole mukbang of like childhood food, like everything that you'd eat like when you were a child, when you were a little baby, like little Jackie, yeah. And eat a bunch of baby food.
You should have got baby food.
No, that's a whole nother video. Baby food challenge.
No thanks.
Yeah, now please look at everything that we got.
I already opened cereal. We got apple juice. We got Little Bites, Goldfish, Animal Crackers, Scooby Snacks, Pop Tarts.
Yep.
Z-Bars.
Danimals.
Lunchables.
The little Dunkaroo boys.
Airheads.
SpaghettiOs and meatballs.
Those thingies and chocolate and milk.
Yeah. Wow. What do we do? Just go in?
I don't know.
Just go off real quick?
Maybe explain our top 3 favorite ones or our top 3 most eaten ones as a kid.
My favorites and all time when I was a kid was pizza Lunchables. For sure. Scooby Snacks, most definitely. And probably like chocolate milk and Cocoa Puffs.
My probably most eaten were the Z-Bars. My family was like all organic and they wouldn't let me eat like...
Yeah, Jack's
they never let me
none
eat
of this.
They never let me eat Lunchables, like pizza rolls. Never had brownies, like these types of brownies.
So weird.
And the first time I tried pizza rolls was like a year or 2 ago, so...
Yeah, that's crazy.
I remember it was at Dom Tracy's house. And then,
you.
Oh, that was so nasty.
No, it's so good.
Ew.
Guys, can we get a zoom in? Editing Kacey?
Oh,
so bomb. I need to heat him up though. Okay, BRB. How about while I'm gone, you tell them how you got famous?
Oh, so up.
It's so funny.
Basically, I used to flip stuff here. I'll flip this apple juice for you guys. It's full. Ah. 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 I did it!
Wow. Dude, I'm so excited. I just want to go off. Okay, I'm going in, to be honest. I'm going to start her off with a Danimal. We can cheers our Danimals.
Oh, yeah.
They're kind of warm. Yeah, that's kind of gross. We have to try at least one of everything.
Okay, yeah.
We're going to die after.
Should we chug the Danimals?
Shotgun Danimal?
Shotgun, yeah. We should get like a, oh fuck, you should have went like this, opened it, and then do everything. You have to eat everything like adults would eat it. No, just imagine.
Do you curse in your video?
Yeah.
Really? Well, don't do it in mine because I'm weak cuss.
Oh yeah?
Okay, ready? Cheers.
I finished it way before I put it down, but I was like, I didn't want it.
That was so fast. I didn't even finish one. I just took a drink.
How much
I just
Savage?
snotted.
How much Savage?
Wow, that was pretty dope. Dang, these are so long. Comment down below your favorite like childhood snack of all time.
Oh, yeah.
Here, we're eating it, or if it's something else that we missed, comment down below because I'm pretty curious.
Fruit Pebbles were my thing as a kid, I'm not gonna lie. Dude, those were probably done as soon as you burn it hot. I'm not gonna lie, I know you guys are hating for this, but I was always the milk before the cereal person. So I'm gonna do that now, not anymore now, but like as a child I would always do it, always.
You
know why? Because
you're wrong.
they they never let me eat this type of stuff. They did raise me wrong. But hey, now I eat healthy, so that's a good thing. But and then I'll do this because otherwise you're just making your cereal soggy.
No, I like soggy cereal.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's good, but like now my taste buds have changed, you know.
True that.
And I used to always have way more milk than cereal.
Ew, I'm so the opposite. I got like 2 drops of milk. These meatballs, they're 100% definitely not meat at all, but they're so bomb. Something about them, I swear. Oh, you have to try them. Oh, they are hot. Wow.
Wait, shh. Wait, look for the TV. Never mind. You can hear Drake snoring in the background.
Oh, I thought you were about to fart. Dude, SpaghettiOs are so good.
I've never had SpaghettiOs.
I need to try. I think I'm just gonna take a bite of your own cereal.
Go for it.
I used to hate Fruit Pebbles, so I want to see if it tastes good.
Okay, Fruit Pebbles are bomb. Let me just try a meatball. Obviously it's gonna be good, but like, what is this? That's the question. Like, it could be little poop that they pour into a ball.
It probably is. But bomb. Those Fruity Pebbles are also bomb. I'm shocked.
Yeah. That's what I used to have those all the time.
Wow.
Like, that was the one thing my parents would let me have in the house.
Really?
Yeah.
You should.
Still eat like that.
I'm playing one. Alright, what else should we crack open? A Lunchable? So you don't think you've had these at all? We got a pizza Lunchable and we got a chicken nugget one. But when I remember it as a kid, the chicken nuggets were disgusting.
My parents raised me a little bit wrong, but at the same time good because now they raised me so I would never want to eat this stuff. So I never ate it, which is smart. But like now I'm like, guys, might as well. I don't make them turkey sandwiches for lunch.
Ew, you just went straight in. That's gonna be so gross.
I don't want it.
I'm gonna try it. Ew, they're cold. They're freezing.
Exactly. Why would people eat this? What are your
I don't
thoughts?
hate it.
I think it needs to be heated up. I'm not gonna cap.
No, like, I definitely would eat it, I think.
I would have these in my friend's house. I remember my friends would get salty. Like I would like sometimes, if I was good, my parents would get me these sometimes. But like I was never good because I have ADHD and I was always running around like a psychopath. But yeah, my friends would have these at their houses and they would get mad at me because they're like, it's only 4 in a box, so like you just take up. Bro, I was a small kid. This would fill me up.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just fat.
Yeah, those were bomb.
I want to try. I always loved these. I would eat them before soccer practice. Always nice. But also we're snacking on all childhood candies, or not candies, childhood like food and snacks.
Like all little
go
ones.
off.
No wonder my
Yeah.
parents never let me eat that.
Yeah, but they're so bomb. Have you tried
They're
spaghettios?
so, yes,
I know, they're so
they're so
I thought they
freaking
just
good.
existed in the movies. Like I've never seen it in person.
What?
Yeah.
They kind of look fake. It kind of looks like something you
It
can find in
does.
a set for a movie.
kind of go off.
Can I get one of these meatballs in there?
Why did I just get up?
I don't know if these are real meatballs, but like
I
they're
don't
real
know.
spaghettios.
I'm gonna make you a pizza lunchable. Oh man, they got big pepperonis. Okay,
Whoa.
that's our bomb lunchable pizza.
Is that you trying to make it focus behind your head?
That's all the beauty gurus do.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in.
Dang.
Just as I remember.
I'll put
You
some
gotta
Pop
try it.
Tarts in the.
No, try this real quick.
Really?
Yeah. You'll probably hate it, but that tastes like my childhood.
It's cold, bro.
Have you never had one of those before?
No, my mom wouldn't let me get
Are you like introducing them to all of these?
Yes, literally.
Oh, let's go.
Childhood, literally.
I remember these and like the stacked sandwich ones, which they were like
Yeah,
crackers with
the one
cheese.
Drew still eats every day.
Yeah. I'm stealing Jack's spot just so I can
Yeah.
try. Literally my favorite childhood snack ever.
I like never had these until I started getting older.
No, wait, thoughts? Do the pink ones taste different than the white ones?
Let's try.
I think they are. Wait, does it say?
If they're different flavors.
No bomb. I hate your mom for not letting me eat these, especially.
But even better, you get to have them now.
Yeah, you're right.
And people get to watch you have them.
Love my mom. What's next?
I want to try your.
These are my
literally his childhood, but I've never heard of them.
I've never heard of Z-Bar. That's like the healthiest like
Childhood
snack ever.
These are so gross.
I
I wasn't close to.
Is it
These
great?
are nasty.
No, these are the best.
They taste like too healthy for me.
I love them.
Her like this is good for me is
Okay.
that's code. It's bad.
What in the world? What's kind of going
She's
on right
definitely
now?
missing some of the.
Wait, what does that smell?
See, Pop Tarts.
SpaghettiOs?
Okay.
No, it smells like chocolate, like brownies.
Pop Tarts.
Oh,
See, this is
yeah.
another thing my mom would never let me have.
This is iconic.
Oh my god.
Iconic.
So what's the best you've had so far?
So the best for me growing up
Frick
were
that.
Z-bars. Oh, the only ones that eat like
Have you
your
ever
dad
heard of
stuff.
Yes!
Oh,
The
the
kids
other one's
I
weird.
babysat who are bougie as heck
Like this
drink
one?
eat Z-bars. Yeah, what
Oh my god, those are really hot. Wow.
Wait, so
Burnt
when are
brownies
we
are the best
getting into
way.
the cosmic brownies? Cause
Oh, right in a second.
I was never allowed to have those either.
Oh my
And they even
God.
existed. Like how was I supposed to know I didn't go to the grocery store?
One for you.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
One for you.
If my mom put these in my lunchbox as a kid, like it was like I knew she was in a good mood, like it was
Yeah.
a good day.
To be honest, these kind of aren't that good anymore.
What, cosmic brownies?
I guess kind of same, but then
It's like they took the ownie out of the brownie. It's
Yeah,
kind of like
Like this brown.
the chocolate's like missing something a little
Yeah, I
bit.
feel that.
Yeah, this really takes me back. I'm kind of getting
No, I know.
like these. This one girl in my school, her name was Alyssa. Hey Alyssa.
Hey girl.
Hey girl.
We know you're watching. What's up?
Her mom would pack these for her every day for lunch, and I would get really sad because my mom would never buy them.
I was always so jealous because they were my favorite.
Please don't be saying it.
What?
That's so gross.
What? What's wrong?
Cocoa Puffs are your free cocoa milk?
Oh wow.
Frick
Sounds
that.
good.
This
You
tripped
would
me
not-
out because
yeah.
the only thing I've seen that has this container is the like sticks that you dip in cheese.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of like you took apart an Oreo,
But you get to decide in on icing.
I love that.
so it's like it's double stuffed. If I want it to be.
Choose
Like
your
Scooby-Doo.
forever. Boys.
Thank God I didn't have these ones. You know why? It hurts your mouth. Yeah.
Really? Dude, they changed the
It's fine.
Scooby-Doo ones. Because
They
the
used to
blue
be the blue
ones
ones.
used to be the best. But
Oh my
look,
God. Yeah.
like you know how the blue was like
Yes.
opaque and the rest of
Oh,
them were like
wait.
not like transparent? No, they're all transparent.
Yeah.
Yes, the yellow one's like toys. That tastes like medicine, Loki.
Imagine they're lace and that's what made me so short.
I can't get over these meatballs though. My camera sucks at YouTube, so now we're back. Anyways, I was just asking Jack what his favorite new thing was that he hadn't tried before. I know you're gonna say it.
What? No, definitely not this. I was never spaghetti. I would like always make my mom make me plain spaghetti with plain meatballs. I would never have the sauce in it. Or no, I would make her put butter on the noodles instead of tomato sauce. Like I was never.
Picky little kids.
But sometimes she was just doing plain noodles. Like she was like, eh.
I hated picky kids.
That was me.
Yeah, I hated them. Because I ate everything. And I still eat everything. Like, I don't not like it.
I would skip the meal if I didn't like it. That's probably why I'm so tiny.
Alright, favorite thing, what is it?
The brownies are like boring. Like, if you make them at home, like, you're way better.
Way better.
I'd say, I could go for another little bite.
Yeah, you can have that. So you feel confident with
What is that?
it. Airhead.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so thick.
It looks like you blew air into it. It looks like a little Totino's pizza
Yeah.
pouch now.
Like a little, what'd you call it?
Whatever it is called.
A pizza roll?
Yep.
Alright, we gotta be done or else I'm gonna die.
Yeah, what's this? We should end off
So
with
fun
down the
size.
chug. Like, end it off the way we started it.
Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching us eat all of our snacks until we die. I like sugar!
Drace gets up. Oh shoot. Drace gets up and just like comes and taps like, you woke me up. But then he sees all food, he's like, hi!
Now we're gonna end it with a chug.
Chug.
3, 2, 1.
Is that a knife in the ceiling? Is that a knife in the ceiling? Thanks for watching.
Okay, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you.
Bye, Daddy.